Here we are with the 68 Mustang. As you can see, she looks pretty good from a distance. I already put tires and wheels on her. Has the 289 in it. I was tuning the carburetor, trying to figure out why it wasn't working right. Turns out, let me unplug this. Put a cheater cable in for the choke right there. And this guy over here, that guy, was a little vacuum leak, so that made it interesting. Started getting her running, put water in it for the first time because it didn't have any water in it since I got my hands on it. It's been, I don't know, quite some time. Unfortunately, it turns out there's a pair of freeze plugs up under here. You're not going to be able to see it, but basically way up under there that are blown out. How you managed to do that, I'm not quite sure, but it was done. Come around, see what I'm doing right now. Pulling the, I got light on there. Pulling the windows. The dash trim, there's the word I'm looking for. I'm pulling the dash trim loose because you can see the dash is all busted up. Pulled that piece out already. Went to try to pull some of the other out. Man, busted bolts, rusted bolts, you name it. But what do you expect for a 50-year-old car? Kind of is what it is. You can see I already got one of the Recaros in. It might need a headliner. But I already put a dash in also. Got my soda in there already. But, all right, there it is. I'm going to try to log this a little bit better than I have been. We'll see how it goes.